Okay, the topic is wealth out of waste, advantages and disadvantages. Wealth out of waste, and PSBB is taking up against. So the topic was wealth out of waste, and PSBB chooses to speak against the topic, which means we have Vidyani Kevin who will be supporting the topic. All the rest guys, you can start with the preparation. Wealth out of waste, that's the topic. Can I have Hikari Vidya Mandan and Vidya Sagar stepping up, please? No, that doesn't work, right? We have Vidya Sagar who is going to speak for the topic. Are humans superior or inferior to other species in cleanliness? I'll repeat. Are humans superior or inferior to other species in cleanliness? And Vidya Sagar is speaking for the topic. We have Hikari Vidya Mandan against the topic. All of this, guys. Go ahead with your preparation. So, we have boys versus girls as team 3. I'm excited about this.
It's next. So, science school will be going against, Amila will be going for. Should the topic please?
Yes, the topic is cleanliness a fundamental duty or right? Is cleanliness a fundamental duty or right? Sani will be speaking for the topic. Another comment against the topic. All the rest. Carry on. We will start the 10 minutes sharp. Please stay back. Start.
So good morning everyone. We're from Vidyani Kevin Public School and our topic is wealth out of waste, advantages and disadvantages. So the obvious thing is that wealth out of waste has more advantages. Actually, it may only have advantages. Waste, the term waste means you're actually throwing away something. You're going to put it into a dustbin and it's going to end up in a dump yard. But you can actually create something worthy out of it. Well, the term means something good, something worthy having. So why waste when you can make it into something good?
Good afternoon, we are from the PSBB Public School and we are here to debate on why we think wealth out of waste is a disadvantage. So you call it waste and you add your own wealth to make it into something that you call wealth but you don't really actually use it. For instance, an egg costs 6 rupees and then you add some glue and then you add some glitter and stuff like that and you make it into something creative, but where do you actually use that in life?
Okay, as we all know, and for those who don't know, the Happy Chap organization, it uses elephant dung to it recycles elephant dung to make paper. So do you think recycling paper is also a waste? And recycling, wealth out of waste doesn't necessarily only mean recycling. It also means many other different things, like crafts for example. It only doesn't mean crafts. We're not going to make items which we keep on shelves and admire. We can also recycle paper, and as she said, Happy Chap, paper made out of elephant dung, meaning that there's no need for deforestation.
There's a different way to use waste. For example, a whole park has been based on a dump yard. A dump yard was so polluted, they converted it to a platform and built a whole park on top of it. That is what you mean using waste. You should just add money to your own, like you take a paper, you put some pencil sharpenings, you take a pencil for 2 rupees and you put 10 rupees on it. And then finally what do? You throw it away.
One thing. You say you use paper every day. Okay? The number of papers used every day in the whole world is constant. Okay? So these papers, it's better when you recycle it rather than you throw it down to the waste. Recycle it because our environment the temperature in our environment is soaring up. All never had temperatures like 45 degrees Celsius. Now it's only because trees are getting depleted because paper is made only out of trees and not out of anything else.
And moreover, you don't have to actually add pencil sharpenings and glue to actually use the lead pen. You can give it for recycling. It's made of plastic. You can separate the nib and give it for recycling. People do it.
All of you told that they recycle elephant dung to make paper, right? But then, how do we all know that what type of harmful chemicals is the process releasing? We never know. Obviously, the company will always advertise something which is on a positive side to them. They will not tell, they will only tell positive, that is they're recycling elephant dung. But we never know how much extra money they're using on it, which actually is not used for the actual process, and how much harmful it is to the environment. We never know.
Wait. Actually, for recycling paper or for recycling any metal or mineral, you use natural heat, and there is no use of fossil fuels or extra money which depletes our resources. We use natural heat which we get from nature. So we are making wealth out of our nature as well as waste.
You said that they use natural heat. So you use coal in the refineries to take out the metal. That is natural heat for you. You said that's not a fossil fuel.
Okay, let's take the example of plastics. Like as I said, we need heat, but we're just using this so our world doesn't get more, how do we put it, corrupted because of all the pollution. Because plastics are now harming our environment. We know that. We don't need any more plastic. We can't just dump them and then make new buckets of plastic covers. The only thing we can do to save our society, our world, is recycle these things. Whatever we have to recycle them and use it again instead of getting new things or creating new things.
See, you just now said that you're wasting more money on recycling things. Okay, so you leave these all waste in all kinds of places. Our environment is soaring up and leading to global warming because Earth is now a place to live. You need human beings to live on this world. And money, if you waste money for a good cause, it's not harmful. It's a very good thing.
What I'm saying is don't waste money. You said you can use it for craft. Don't waste money by putting pencil sharpenings and then finally throwing it away.
And one more thing we need to clear a topic is the difference between wealth out of waste and recycling. You're arguing again and again on the point recycling, but recycling is a totally different concept from wealth out of waste.
A used paper can be considered waste, and when we make it into something we can use it again and it serves a purpose, it becomes wealth.
Wealth out of waste means making something useful by domestic purposes on a very small scale.
See, use your magnetic covers. You use it in a kabaddi wala, right? You don't get
See, by the end we will tell that wealth out of waste is part of the major concept of today's world. Because waste is the thing which is not being used today. But we have to use something. We have to make something out of waste which is used. You have to use something which is helpful for everybody. Gandhiji told.
As quoted by Gandhiji, be the change you wish to see in the world. So we as human beings want to see the change by recycling well.
We disagree with this point mainly because to recycle what is waste, you waste